settling in this moment, gathering all awareness to being here, awake, alive, communing with the cosmos, breath flowing, life present, heart beating. So all of these tender expressions of vitality here, now. And sensing the living universe and the cosmos, the glory and expansive beauty of nature, the force and power of nature. Recognizing the pulsation of life. So, in the face of adversity, seeing the presence of life, children being born, people falling in love, forgiving, the evidence of loving relationships all around, irrespective of circumstances. And recognizing these, what appear to be constants in the world, that these ways of being, these ways of life taking its course, that death is experienced only in this world as an experience of the physical body and the personality letting go. That life always has new form, new beginnings, new possibilities. Noticing that novelty and creativity are natural ways of this world, and placing our awareness here so that we are always able to hold our sadness and sorrow at the dissolution of form in the light of the creation of new forms, new ways of being, new ways of relating to the world. And so as long as we are witnessing this world, we will be witnessing love and expressions of love. And we will be remembering, if we place our awareness here, this aspect of the living universe that is commonly shared by all of humanity. Love, the common denominator of love, creativity, innovation, kindness, compassion, joy. And so placing our awareness here with deep gratitude. Gratitude turns on our awareness of these aspects and qualities of life. So with deep gratitude, turning again and again and again towards the natural qualities of the living universe, and dropping in regularly to this way of being awake. And either dwelling here now or gently drawing this practice to a close.